Hello, my name is Peekaboo, and this little critter that I'm introducing you to is my parrot, Peeka. I just happened to come home from work and she happened to fly on my head. And look at her. Like she don't have a worry in the world. Ain't she beautiful? Peeka, come. Come, baby, come. Come. Anyway, if I proceed to stand up, then she'll just come and fly on me. Well, Peeka! Come, Peeka, come! 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 Now she's gonna make me look like an ass. Apparently she don't want to fly right now. Anyway, just introducing. Be quiet. Why are you making all that noise here? Come, Peeka, come. Come, Peeka, come. I guess she eats alone. You know, these things are good. I guess they belong to my granddaughter, but sorry. Ow. Okay. Anyway, my peep, I'll get with y'all in a few. Peace. Peace.